OpenClaw went from a weekend project to 350,000 GitHub stars, faster than almost any software ever made. NVIDIA's CEO called it the most important software release ever. It's also had a data breach, a flagged security exploit, and a warning from its own team. Well, both things are true. So let me show you 5 real ways to make money with it, and where to be careful. So what it actually is, here's the quick version. OpenClaw is a free open source AI agent. It's not a chatbot. It doesn't just talk, it acts. It runs on your computer, it reads files, sends emails, browses the web, talks to you through WhatsApp or Telegram, and it works while you sleep. You bring your own AI model, Claude, GPT, whatever. OpenClaw is the body. The AI is the brain. That's why businesses want it. It replaces boring, repetitive work. And that's where the money is. Now, the first way to make money with this one, and this one is the fastest one, you can set it up for people who can't. And here's the gap. Thousands of people want OpenClaw. And most of those people aren't technical. They get stuck on the very first step. You fix that. A video call, 45 minutes. You install it. You connect it to Telegram or WhatsApp, you set up one useful task, and you explain how to use it. Now, you can charge $100 to $600, at least that's what I've found on Fiverr and these outreaches. It will depend on complexity, and it will depend if you want to undercut people on Fiverr to do it, but you can do it off Fiverr as well. Basic setups take 2 to 4 hours once you know the process. Now, where else to find the clients? You can go to Reddit in the OpenClaw community. You can filter these by help posts. Also, Fiverr is really, really good. You can search just for, like this, OpenClaw setup. This is it. And you can also go to Facebook groups for small business owners. Now, one freelancer reported $3,600 in their first month doing exactly this. Real and fast to start if you already know the tool. And if you don't know the tool, well, just spend some time learning it. Trust me, it is possible. Now, the second way are skills. Think of these like little apps for the agent. OpenClaw has a marketplace called Claw Hub. People publish skills, specific tasks the agent learns to do well. A skill that writes product descriptions, for example, or one that summarizes meeting notes, one that reviews code. You build one, you publish it, and people install it, you earn per install. Now, the smart move is picking a real narrow problem, not writing, but something specific, like legal intake forms, or real estate listings, or medical paperwork. This one is slower to start. 2 to 4 weeks for your first sale is normal, but once it's built, it sells without more work from you. That's the appeal. Real examples already selling on the marketplace. A meeting notes summarizer, code review assistant, a product description writer for online stores, e-commerce owners love this. And none of these are fancy. All of them solve one annoying task well, and that's what sells. Third way, and this one pays the most long term, ongoing automation for small businesses. Every small business has a boring, repeated task, sorting emails, for example, or answering the same questions, updating spreadsheets. They currently pay a person or a virtual assistant $15 to $25 an hour to do it. You replace that with OpenClaw Agent. You set it up once, and then you charge a monthly retainer instead. Real numbers from real jobs are $300 to $1,500 a month per client, depending on what it handles. And one example that's typical, a small shop swapped a $600 a month assistant for a $27 agent doing email triage. That gap between what it costs and what you charge is your business. Land a handful of clients on retainer, and this becomes real recurring income, not a one-time gig. Now, where to find these? Well, local service businesses just go around and ask people what kind of problems do they have. Accountants, small agencies, consultants, anyone drowning in inbox and admin work, they have the problem. A simple message on LinkedIn offering to save them 10 hours a week opens more doors than you think. Now, the fourth way is to sell the whole package, done for a specific industry. Most people don't want to build an agent from scratch. They want to install something that already works. So you build once for one clear niche, a real estate pack, property research, listing descriptions, lead qualification, or a content creator pack, captions, outlines, or a content calendar, and you sell it for $49 to $150, sometimes with a setup fee on top. Think of it like a template business, but for AI agents. You build it once and you sell it over and over. A well-marketed one can sell 20 to 50 copies a month. Now, some real examples already selling are social media manager pack, content calendar, post generation, engagement tracking, a personal CRM pack, relationship tracking, follow-ups, meeting prep, small, specific, and useful. And that's the formula. Now, the fifth way you can teach people how to actually use it. Interest in OpenClaw is exploding. Real content about it is still thin, and that gap is your opening. A tutorial, a course, or a YouTube channel dedicated just to OpenClaw. You make a short paid course, workshops for teams. Tech-focused channels earn $8 to $15 per 1,000 views in ad money alone, and that's before sponsorships or your own course sales. You can start simple. Record yourself fixing one real problem and post it and see if it gets views. If it does, you found your angle, and do more of exactly that. Now, the part most videos skip completely, and it matters more here than with most tools. OpenClaw isn't a normal app. It has real access to your files, your shell, your accounts. That power is exactly why it's useful. It's also exactly why it's risky. Here's what actually happened. Security researchers found a community-built skill that secretly leaked data, hidden inside a plugin nobody vetted properly. A related platform in its ecosystem had a breach that exposed 1.5 million access tokens. One of OpenClaw's own maintainers said plainly, if you don't understand the command line, this is too dangerous for you to run. Some governments have restricted it on official systems over exactly these concerns. So if you're going to build a business on this, you have to respect it. Never run it on your main computer with all your personal files. Use an isolated machine or a virtual environment. Only enable skills from trusted sources, not random, unvetted ones. And read what a skill actually does before installing it for a client. One more honest note. Watch your API costs closely. It's easy to burn $200 a month on AI usage without noticing, and that quietly kills your margins before you even realize it. And be skeptical of huge income claims in flashy videos. Some are real, plenty are inflated to sell you a course or an affiliate link. Just trust the numbers you can verify, not the biggest headline. So yeah, straight with you, like always, OpenClaw is genuinely useful and the demand is real. People are earning real money with it right now. Not everyone, but enough that it's worth learning properly. The pattern across all of these 5 ways, you're not selling the tool, you're selling time saved or a problem solved, and that's always where the money is. But this one comes with real responsibility attached. Powerful access means real risk. If you're careless, respect that, set it up properly, and it's a genuine opportunity. Ignore it, and you're one bad skill install away from a real problem. So that's the real picture. Set it up for people, sell skills, run retainers, package it for a niche, or teach it. Just pick one and set it up safely and find one real client. That's how this starts. Just one, and you're going to get the confidence you need. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.